Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ma'am. My name is Peter, and I am from class 20A English Language Education Study Program. And today, I would like to present my work about the project 3. I would like to share my screen first. All right, now this is about the project 3. And the keyword that I'm interested to know about is a virtual reality learning. And the link that I use as a reference is this link, as you have already provided in the Google Classroom. That is the reason why I choose that this topic is because there is still very little that is currently known about the VR in the context of learning. Like, as you know, as people that around the world mostly use the virtual reality just for games, just for entertainment, and some kind of anything except the learning context. So that is why it is needs to be investigate the future trends about the virtual reality for learning, because we know already that it's still a very little one about that people or conduct research about the virtual reality for learning or using the VR for learning. So this is the result of the publisher Paris told regarding my interest keyword. I searched it into the Scopus, and this is the result. I use the year scales is around from 2014 until now, and this is the picture of using the first viewer. And for the keywords that I found only 4 points, which are the first one is about the review and education, and the second is education, and the third virtual reality, and the last is about the effect of the virtual reality itself. So yeah, this is the network visualization of the keywords that I found from the Scopus. It only have 4 points, and for the overlay visualization is around 2017 until 2018. And this is the, as you can see, the review, education, virtual reality, and also the effect of the virtual reality itself for learning. And for the density visualization, as you know, that the most brightest one is still that most people already knows about the this is the common points that used for the reference. So yeah, this you can see the brightest one is about the review, the education, and then the virtual reality. But it's still very lack of the effect of virtual reality itself. So like now we know that around 2017 until 2018 that people just search most common about the review, education, virtual and then the virtual reality, but not the effect, because there, as you can see in here, it is still lack of it. And for the second that I use the post viewer for I'm searching into the publisher Paris in the Google Scholar scale. And as you can see in here, in the network visualization, it only contains 3 points. And for the first one is about the learning and reality, and also the virtual reality itself. So yeah, it is only 3 points that I found from the Google Scholars regarding to virtual reality learning. And for the overlay visualization, the year is about 2014 until 2015. So yeah, it only found that only around that year, that 2014 until 2015. Now let's take a look at the density visualization. As you can see in here, the most brightest one is about learning and reality. So yeah, most common people search the most common points, which are the learning and reality, but not in the virtual reality also common, but it's, as you can see, the most brightest one is about the learning and reality. So most people must search about the learning and reality points, but only some of them just looking for the virtual reality. So yeah, it is still lack of it. So that is why I interest to search to look more about the future trends about using maybe the future virtual reality, and on the Scopus is about the effect of it. So I think that's all, ma'am, from me. Thank you so much for the attention, and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.